Hey guys, today I'm going to just do some basic maintenance on my Suzuki King Quad 750. Just a basic air filter change. Easy to do at home, doesn't take very long. Just got a new Suzuki Genuine air filter here. I'll zoom in on the part number for you. So there's part number, just picked up at my local power sports store. And I'll just get to it. Okay, first thing you need to do is just remove the seat. I've got a backrest, so it's just a little extra bit of a move. Put it well out of the way. Next, you just got to pop out these push pins. You can just use a flathead screwdriver. I purchased a pin remover because it's just good for general maintenance. They just pop up. Try not to pull one right out and lose it. It just slides out. You can see the old filters in there. Just a wing nut. Back it out all the way. I just recently purchased these, so I don't know the condition they're in, so just going to take it out, change it out with a brand new one. It's never a bad idea to start fresh. When I first got these, there was a mouse nest inside one. So just slides right over top, push it down, and just easy peasy, just reset. So this is just a regular Suzuki Genuine Product one. K&N makes a pretty decent one. It's washable and reusable. Just snugs down. Take the cover, slide it in these slots. Push it down. And then just reverse process, push pin in. Push pin and replace the seat.